Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. Hello, my name is Faisal Khan, CEO and founder of voicebootcamp.com. In this self-study kit, I'm going to show you how to install Cisco Unified Intelligence Center or CUIC reporting. Now we're going to start with first deploying an Ovf template. So on this server 104, I will deploy an Ovf template for CUIC reporting. Okay, I have to download the template, so give me one sec. Okay, so that's still downloading. So click next. We will call this obviously this is going to be installed on 104. That's where we selected. So I'm going to make it a standalone server. Actually, we're going to go back and change it to co-resident, which will install the live data as well. Okay, you're going to choose the corporate shared data store. Go back, make sure it's thin client provision. Otherwise, it's going to eat up a lot of hard drive space. Network settings should be CorpNet. And we are ready to install. Okay, so we should have reporting server right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the mount the DVD ISO file and make sure memory is quite high. So 0 reservation, otherwise it's going to reserve that much memory. Alright, so on the CD-ROM, I'm going to mount to the data store ISO file. And it should be right there, this one, CUIC reporting. Yep, that's the one. Okay, make sure it's connected and you are ready to now turn this server on. Now we need to choose a reporting name. So what I'm going to do is that I will log into the Active Directory. Make sure I have an IP address. I will simply call this CUIC. Make it 75 for reporting. And make sure create PTR record is there. Okay, so go back to the, not this one, right here. Let's turn this feature on now. So it's like a typical installation, pretty much like any other product. Just follow step-by-step instructions. So you got a couple of choices of what you need to install: Unified Intelligence Center, Live Data, Identity Services, or you can choose the last option, which includes pretty much all three. So again, if you are deploying in a high availability environment, it is always important that you segregate them into separate servers, or you have a very powerful servers. For our environment, we're just going to stick to the core resident option. So there's nothing right now in the database, as you can see. Okay, proceed. Basic install. Location or time zone, NIC. No change to MTU, DHCP. So we're going to call it CUIC reporting. IP address, I believe, was 75. DNS, sure, we have already configured DNS, so why not? Okay, it is the first node. I don't like to say yes to SNMT because I don't have an SNMT server configured. So just skip to that, and last but not the least, define the application username and the password. All right, we're ready to start, and that's pretty much how the installation is done. Okay, so the installation is in progress, and once the installation is done, you are ready to start working on it and customize it, which we will provide that in the later video.